Major magnitude 7.2 earthquake, 41 kilometers north of Taitung City, Taiwan, on Sunday, September 18, 2022 at 2:44 p.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed it as a magnitude 7.1 earthquake. A third agency, the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, reported the same quake at magnitude 6.8.